Hi, my name is Berdj Mora and this is my 2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Under the hood, a massive 6.2 liter LS3 engine that is similar to the Corvettes, which packs 426 horsepower. This is the SSRS package that comes with 20-inch rims. It also has the Brembo brakes, as you see. It has a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission. Recently, I had Chevrolet in Qatar install K&N and GM performance exhaust system. As you can see here, it has the 5-inch mufflers from GM performance exhaust that gives an awesome sound to this muscle car. This beast hits 0 to 60 miles or 0 to 100 kilometers in a mind-blowing 4.6 seconds. The acceleration on this beast is jaw-dropping. It's just a powerhouse. So, are you ready to hear the rumble of the V8 engine? Let's check it out. With the performance exhaust and the K&N, it gives about, an extra 25 horsepower on the stock. So the car packs now around 450 horsepower. Believe me, it's a big value for the money. If you want to buy a Japanese or a German sports car that has the same amount of performance, you'll probably pay double or triple price tag for it. So let's hear the beast rumbling.